What's going on, guys? Mitch with Panda Motorworks here, and we are back with the Ford Maverick doing some interior upgrades. And today we're going to be installing the matte screen protector. All right, so if you guys watched our last video where we installed the same screen protector in the 12-inch version on our Ford Bronco, installation is going to be very similar. So we're just going to show you how it's done on the Maverick. So you're going to open it up, you're going to have a pack with all of your installation materials, and then you're going to have a roll. This is your screen protector. It is made out of matte paint protection film. That's going to give it some self-healing properties. The matte finish is also going to help reduce some glare and make sure fingerprints don't stick to it. So if you're touching your sync screen quite a bit, this upgrade is a must-have, and under 30 bucks, you just can't go wrong. All right, for this installation, it is very important that you wash your hands beforehand. That's going to prevent any fingerprints from getting on the back of the film, which will show through once the installation is permanent. So I went ahead and washed my hands nice and clean. I'm also having soapy water in this vial. Just going to go ahead and give it another shake just to stir up the soap. The recipe for the proper mixture is included in the instructions. Also, we're going to have an alcohol swab. We're going to use that first to go ahead and clean up our screen. As you can see here, we got quite a bit of fingerprints on it. So we're going to give it a nice wipe with this alcohol wipe. Get rid of anything that we see there on the screen. In doing this, it's best to be very thorough. Make sure you get absolutely everything, because what you don't get will show through the film. Cool. We're going to set that aside. We're going to take the included microfiber cloth, and we're going to go ahead and just wipe it down. Making sure we get it nice and dry from the alcohol, and then any lint or debris, making sure we're getting that off as well. So everything looks pretty good here. We're gonna go ahead and take our soapy water solution, give it another shake real quick. And what we're gonna do is get the screen wet. You wanna be very generous with the amount of soapy water you're using. However, you don't wanna completely soak it to where it's dripping wet. So right there, as you can see, got it nice and wet. We're gonna get our paint protection film, that's included. And you will find the edge here. Before you start peeling it, it's a good idea to go ahead and just spray your fingertips down. Again, any leftover grease or oils that are on your fingertips, making sure they don't get on the back of the film. We'll go ahead and peel it. So with this being paint protection film and the use of the soapy water, it does give you some room to adjust it. So when you apply it, make sure you don't put too much pressure down that it tacks into place, because if you just set it here, you should be able to move it a pretty good amount so that you can line it up perfectly. Pretty good on that side. All right, we got it kind of in the place we want to install it. So what we're going to do is take our soapy water mixture again. We're going to go ahead and spray the front. Again, not too much, but just enough. We're going to take the included card, which has your QR code for the instructions. This will work as a squeegee. If you have a vinyl squeegee or anything similar, that works as well. This is just what they include. Then we're going to go ahead and just work all of the air bubbles out. And in the process, this is going to make the installation permanent and get it in place. You'll notice there's some liquid here. Just work it out to the edges. Be patient. With patience, you'll have a nice clean install. So when you're working out some of these smaller bubbles, patience and attention to detail is really key to get that perfect finish. There'll also be some healing once the water underneath dries and you get it out in the sun. It's got some time to heal. All right, so now that we've worked out all the air bubbles, we're gonna go ahead and take our microfiber cloth again, and we're just gonna go ahead and wipe off any excess residue that might be still there. And then you are left with an installed matte screen protector. This thing is really great. Like I said, we did the install on the Bronco a couple weeks ago, and we've been living with it. And I can tell you from experience that the anti-glare effects are great on it. Since Sync does have a lighter background, especially during the day, it helps it from washing out in highlight situations, especially if you don't have any tint on your vehicle, especially the Maverick XL here. So it should be great. We'll take a look, see how we like it. Also, I mentioned that it is fingerprint resistant. We had a bunch of fingerprints on there, and it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but nothing is sticking. Go through, drive through, have some French fries or something like that, a little bit greasy fingers. It's not gonna have near the impact as it would without the screen protector. And if you do, it's gonna be super easy to clean up. Just take a microfiber cloth and just wipe it away. All right, so there you have it. We just installed the matte screen protector here on the Ford Maverick. If you guys want to pick up one of these for yourself, go ahead and check out the description. I'll put a link for it below. If you guys like the video, be sure to smash that like button. If you got any comments for us, be sure to drop them below. And if you want to see more Maverick content or other content we put out, be sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell clicked. Thanks for watching.